executive programs elevator at whatever the name of this building is at the University of Ontario in Toronto, or University of Toronto, my bad, in Toronto, Ontario. Also in Rotman with EPCO WRN. Of course, the lantern doesn't work. Parking, at least I think that's what it stands for, and here we go down. This is hydro. The other one's ran like a roller coaster. Yeah, I think this is hydro. Load up to 3. And here you go up. That's a little like a roller coaster, but I think still hydro. Here 3. Back on the ground. This one you can actually open up from ADA phone or accessible. I don't know what Canada's accessible thing is. There's your service cabinet. Notice 2 is a key switch. I guess it's always locked. Just your basic 90s looking cabinet in the background. I forgot to check the airlogs on the other ones. Let's see what this one is. 1994. The closest, and that's going to be it.